Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. SPY is actually hitting new lows pre-market. Futures are getting absolutely wrecked, right? We actually hit 428 on the SPY. It does seem like it's recovering a little bit, but it is. I think it's retesting right now previous support around 430, 431ish. That's why it's rebounding up. But I do think that, like I told you guys before, I think in yesterday's video, right before market opened, I still think that SPY is going down to 425. It's the next major support. There's no other support right now. If it bounces from here, fantastic. If it doesn't, I do think that 425 is still, highly possible. And I still think we're dropping to 425. Earlier today we hit 428, so about $3 shy of my target price, which is again where major support is. But again, it does seem like SPY wants to drop heavy, especially with futures being red. As far as why it's dropping, I don't know if there's any specific news that would cause a drop apart from just regular TA, of the S&P 500 going back to, its recent what is it called? Its recent major support, which would probably be this right here, 424.97, back from July 19th. So that is where I actually see it going back to July 19th lows, and that's the only place where it would actually have a retracement. Even right now, again, like I said, even at 430.92, it has a lot of strong support as well. So just keep in mind the 430, 425 level as major support around this area. As of right now, it does seem like the SPY seems to be recovering, sort of. But again, my price target, or my target price, is still 425. I did get out of my S&P 500 well, I was short SPX 500 on Forex, but I did get out of them because I wasn't sure what the recovery was going to look like. But now looking at this recovery to 431, I might end up buying more shorts and ride the wave all the way down to 425. But we'll see what happens a little bit we'll see what happens a little bit later. So have a great day, guys. And only about another hour and 10 minutes or so till market opens, so we'll see what happens then. Bye.